Hello everyone. Today I'm planning to do a video comparing the TRD exhaust versus non TRD exhaust, how they compare to the noise level inside the car. So actually I was trying to do a raw video, then I thought let me explain what I'm doing today, because if I do a raw video I cannot do like an introduction like this and then do the test video. So in this video, I'm gonna do a cold start. So both these cars have not driven. The TRD Pro has not driven for about 8 hours, and the Limited is not driven for more than a day. And also, this is not like a real uh, perfect testing because the Limited is 2019, so the seals and rubber may not be good as the 2021 TRD Pro, and I don't have a really good sound meter to test this, so I'm using a app on a tablet. So just a little test I'm gonna do the noise level inside the car. So as I said, this is gonna be a cold start first, to see what the noise level is, and when it drops to like 1000 RPM after the engine heats up a little bit, I'm going to rev it to 2000 RPM, see what's the noise level inside the car is, and then I'm going to rev it to 2500 RPM and see what the sound level inside the car is. Um, why I don't do red line sound test? Because even after like a minute or so, still the engines are not warm enough to do it. So as a user or owner of these cars, I'm not comfortable doing a red line test when the engines are cold. So let's do a quick test. So cold start, sound level, 2000 RPM sound level, and 2500 RPM sound level. So let's see how they compare. Alright, so that's a video comparing the TRD exhaust versus non-TRD exhaust. Hope you liked that video. If you want to see more videos, please consider subscribing and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.